one of the things that's really important whenever you're doing any maths question in any topic at all is to make sure, before you start doing any of the maths, make sure that all of your question is in consistent units. And this is a really good example. If we want to simply add together some different measurements, you can only do that really well if it's all in the same unit. So before you start, you could convert it all to meters, or all to centimeters, or all to millimeters. It doesn't matter as long as it's in the same unit. Now I'm going to do this by converting it all to millimeters. So this one is already 125 millimeters, so that's one's okay. And this one I'm going to convert into millimeters as well. Now it's already in centimeters. To change centimeters into millimeters, times it by 10, because there are 10 millimeters in a centimeter. You could use this diagram over here if you wanted, changing centimeters into millimeters, times by 10. Now to times the number by 10, you don't have to do it on your calculator. You should just move the decimal place one position to the right, make it bigger by 10 times. So it's going to be 356 millimeters. This one's already in millimeters. I'll leave him as he is. And changing meters into millimeters, there are 1,000 millimeters in a meter, so I'm going to times it by 1,000. Times the number by 1,000, move the decimal place 3 positions, 1. Now I've got to move 2 more positions. There are just zeros there, 0 and 0. 1,500 millimeters, and centimeters into millimeters, times by 10 again, so 274 millimeters. Add them all together. We can add them all up on the calculator. And we get 3,305 millimeters. You could express that in meters if you want. Divide by 1,003.305 meters. The answer's okay as it is there.